Hi everyone, and this is Opi Painting. Welcome back, and today we'll be talking about how I get the metal effect and how we paint the leather. So jumping right in, the leather is painted with a light brown from the previous base color and then mixed with white to get extreme highlights, and I just lightly brush over the raised areas with watered down brush, and then I move on to the metal. The metal is just random grey pattern painted around with the edge of the brush, and you want to keep doing this until you're happy with the effect. Again, you're mixing the grey with the white to get the right effect. You can use thin streaks of paint brushes or heavy streaks of paint brushes, so you want to keep doing that to get the random nice effect that you want. And if you overdo it, you can always go over it with the black. So it's a very simple method. You just randomly let your hand go loose and try not to worry about what you want the end result to be. The randomness will make the metal look a certain way, so you can just keep going on back and forth until you get it how you want it. And see you next video, and you can download my link, free ebook, and my link in descriptions. See you in the next video. Thank you.